Hey guys, Shawn here. Are you ready to unleash your full potential and build a brand and community that truly lights you up? Forget chasing followers. We're going straight to the heart of what matters, creating real value and building lasting connections. Get ready to ignite your passion and make a real impact. We're talking about building a brand that's not just about likes, but about legacy. You can download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, at the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. Listen up. The algorithm, that mysterious force behind the scenes, doesn't care how many followers you have. It cares about one thing. Are you delivering content that people actually want to see? Are you providing value? Are you sparking conversations? That's where the magic happens. Here's your action step. Commit to creating one piece of high quality, valuable content every single day for the next week. Here's the deal. Too many of you are paralyzed by perfection. Stop waiting for everything to be perfect and just hit that publish button. The world wants to see the real you, flaws and all. Embrace the imperfections. Learn from your mistakes and allow yourself to evolve in front of your audience. Here's your action step. I'm challenging you to post one piece of content within the next 24 hours. No more excuses. We live in a world of instant gratification. You need to grab your audience by the eyeballs from the very first second. Cut the fluff, ditch the long intros, and deliver your value proposition right away. Tell people exactly what they're going to gain by investing their precious time in you. Your action step, start your next video with the most valuable piece of content first. Don't bury the lead. Building a brand is not just about broadcasting your message to the masses. It's about creating genuine connections with the people who resonate with your work. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, have real conversation. Show genuine interest in the people who are taking the time to engage with you. Action step. Respond to every single direct message and comment you receive for the next week. You are not one-dimensional, so don't let your content be either. Share the different facets of your personality, your hobbies, your passion. People connect with authenticity, so don't be afraid to let your true self shine through. Embrace what makes you unique. Here's your action step. Create two pieces of content about two completely different interests. Showcase the full spectrum of who you are and watch your audience connect with you on a deeper level. Pay attention to what's resonating with your audience. Double down on those winning formulas and create more of what's already working. Once you've identified your content sweet spot, it's time to amplify your reach. Action step. Take one of your most successful posts and turn it into an ad. Start with a small budget and see what kind of results you can achieve. In a world saturated with faceless brands, nothing beats the power of human connection. People connect with people. They want to see the face behind the brand, hear the voice behind the message, share your story, your insights, your experiences. Action step. Commit to posting one video every week where you show your face and share your voice. Listen, AI is not here to replace you. It's here to empower you. AI is a tool, a powerful ally that can help you streamline your workflow, automate tasks, and create even more amazing content. Embrace these tools and free up your time and energy to focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience. Action step. Explore and experiment with at least one AI tool for content creation this week. You don't need a fancy camera, a professional studio, or 1 million followers to get started. You have everything you need right now: your phone, your story, and your passion. Don't wait for the perfect circumstances. Start creating today. Action step. Commit to posting one piece of content every single day for the next 30 days, using only the resources you already have. Success in the digital space is a marathon, not a sprint. Building a thriving brand and community takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. The more consistent you are, the more momentum you'll build. Here's your action step. Commit to posting 3 times a week for the next 3 months. Make it non-negotiable. Put it in your calendar and stick to it like your success depends on it. Congratulations. You are now equipped with the 10 essential steps to unlock your full potential and build a brand and community that truly lights you up. Remember, the journey starts with a single step, and that step is yours to take. Download your free copy of The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing at website address. Take action on what you've learned today. Your future self will thank you for it. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs to hear this, and drop a comment below. Now get out there and make it happen.